hope you all can see that. Okay, so we have this one and this one. Okay, so we're going to recap a little bit before I get you all to continue. Let's say I'm going to differentiate. So for example, e power 4x. Ying Ting, right? Okay, Ying Ting, can you help me differentiate this? How do you differentiate this? What do you do first? Step one, you just or 4 first, huh? Okay, the technique that we teach you is copy, right? Then okay, we multiply by. Correct. Okay. So Reese, this one no problem, right? 4e power 4x. So I always tell them copy first, then multiply by differentiated power. You okay with product rule? Okay, prove it to me. Let's go. Let's go. Go and do it. I go around and check for you. Okay, you have 10 seconds to. Oh hi! Come in, see here, see here. Oh, it's okay. Oh, I got absentees, but I got new people join. You see here? Okay. Your paper is when? Thursday. Tomorrow. Okay, 来快点. Okay, shows good. No one's there. Me. You put my bag. You just throw on the table, carry it. Let her know which page, okay? You also don't know. Page 38. Okay, no, page 38, right? Okay, page 38. How's the revision? Okay? Okay, linear law, got linear law, right? Okay. Guys, the coordinates of the stationary point, please give me exact, okay? Guys, come, can we check together? Yeah. So we see this. Okay, let's say Reese, you help me, okay? Okay, we're going to find coordinates of station. Okay, before we start, Reese, what do you understand about stationary point? dy dx equals to 0. Good job. Okay, dy dx equals to 0. So then from here, right, we're going to do our dy dx first. Okay, Reese, what do you copy first? You copy 3x, is it? Okay, then after that, what do you get when you differentiate e power 5x? 5e power 5x. Then after that, your product rule is a plus, okay? And then you're going to copy e power 5x, but you're multiplying by? Okay, can I put a 3 in front? So it looks like that. Alright? So I always remind my kids, right? When you're doing product rule, right, the easiest way is to simplify is to factorize. But for exponential, don't worry so much. Okay, what are you going to factorize? Just factorize your exponential. Okay, just factorize your exponential. Because if you need to differentiate one more time, you make sure you leave the exponential, then you can do a product rule one more time. Okay, so when you factorize out the exponential, right, what happens here is you gone and then you gone like that. So Jia, when you multiply this one, what do you get? How many x is this? Correct. So you just have 15x plus 3. What did you do? If you look, your exponential was gone. Yeah, makes sense? Yeah, correct. Understand? Because yours is only 3e, okay? So from here, right, what I have is, so we're going to continue from here. So now this one here, right, guys? So we understood, okay, important now, guys. Coordinates, right? Always try to leave your answer in exact form, meaning you don't punch into the calculator. Okay, don't punch the E into the calculator. So we understand that for stationary points, this thing is equals to 0. So you can just continue from here. So this thing equals to 0. Okay, this thing equals to 0, as well as this thing equals to 0. So either or. Can you see this? Okay, so you should go and continue for me from here. So Rian, I think you can help me with this one. You will want both sides though for this one. Ln, but you ln 0, what will happen in the calculator? It gives you a error. So this answer we just very nice, good job. Okay, so please help me to solve the other side. So I'm going to reject this one. Thank you, well done. Okay, so please reject. So yesterday, Mr. Wilson was asking me, if a student, right, did not write this down, right, okay, that means he just straight away skip like that, right, should we deduct marks or not? My answer to him was yes. Okay, so I will deduct marks in two cases. Number one, you never reject, I deduct. Number two, you totally didn't know that this was a possible answer, I also deduct marks. Understand that? Okay? I'm just trying to be safe lah, huh? Alright, okay, please go and solve that. We should be able to get our x ready. So once you get your x value, okay, please sub in to get your y value in terms of e. Then remember to write it as a coordinate. I'll go around and mark, okay? Whose is this? Yours. You addicted to this. Okay, where do we have here? How do you start it? This one don't need to learn, right? This one can just solve normal algebra, right? Yeah, why got learn one? Oh. Okay, still do you write that? I write okay, I see this one. This one is wrong. You know why wrong? Bring over the 3 is fine. Okay, your questions. You got it. This is marker or what? Is it really or use blue is okay? Okay, what's so small? This is so small. So cute. So okay, yes, correct. Then now you find a 1. Yes. Okay, that's an x, huh? Yeah, correct. Then no 1. Don't press the key out. In the sun, they want to be cool. So I'm doing correct. Just sub inside. Okay, so the y, how do you sub? Reese, you can take a look. The y, how do you sub? So you put down as your, I write here, okay? So my y, right, will be 3 bracket x. Reese, what's your x though? Negative 1 over 5, right? Is it or 3? 1 over 5, right? 1 over 3, 1 over 5, right? Okay. Then after that, e power 5x. So e power 5 bracket negative 1 over 5. So this is what I want to see. So when you plug in, right, don't press the calculator. So Jia Le, what will you get? Negative 3 over, then after that, so e negative 1, shall we just bring it down? Correct or not? Yes. So we have negative 1 over 5 and then negative 3 over 5e. Okay? That's what we have here. Make sense? Okay? Get it right? So just press it. So you don't go at negative here. It's e power negative 1, not negative 3. Got it? Okay, do the next one. Very good. Yes, good job. Okay, do the next one, yeah? So the next part here is use your second derivative. What does second derivative mean, guys? So this is your dy dx. So dy dx is over here. Okay, so do your second derivative means you will differentiate one more time. Okay, differentiate one more time. Yes, go and differentiate one more time. Do your well done. Okay, right? Yes. Yes, correct. Very good. Yes. Okay, ask. Is it as long as it's not even no, because how do you solve this? You must ln both sides, right? You can use my calculator. So when you try to ln 0, it's okay. Understand or then, oh, yeah, of course. Correct, correct. Okay, no problem. Okay, so we're going to do our product rule. I saw you all did it. Good job. So this one you multiply by 15. So I just put the 15 in front lah. How I fast forward, okay? Then plus this one will be 5. I simplify, okay? You all go and simplify also. So we aim to simplify, we factorize the e power 5x, okay? Okay, yeah, just what you copy? Just copy this one, right? If you copy, you want to differentiate who? Then how do you differentiate? Copy first, then yeah, correct. Then the bracket. How do you copy? Yes. This is differentiable. Yes, correct. Okay, factorize out the e power 5x, okay? Okay, very nice. Then how do you determine the addition? Yes, 对了. Still working, Okay, good. Okay, yes. Okay, don't take out 15, just take out e power. Oh, you're expanding underneath. Just straight away take out e power 5x, okay? Then cancel. Yeah, big bracket. Big bracket. Yes, then cancel. You factorize the silent mistake. This is already second derivative. Second derivative means differentiate this. Right, so you're done. I don't know whether it count. Jala, I check your calculation. I don't know is it count wrong. Jala, from here you factorize e power 5x, is it? Okay, then after that, what are you left inside? 5. Oh, you factorize 5. Oh, okay, then maybe still the same. Okay. So okay, I just continue first. Okay, wait. So mine is yeah, 5. I don't have to lah, but you can do it lah, no problem. Okay. So let's say we compare. So if I take out this one, right, I will end up with. Where you take out everything already? What are you left inside the big bracket? 15 plus. Okay, so I just open up, okay? 15 times 5, so this is 75x plus 15. Let's see, Jala, don't worry, I compare mine with yours later. So this one will be 30 plus 15x. So Jala, yours is 3x plus 6, correct? Oh wait, is it? No. 3x, 6x, 6 plus 15x. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Correct. You continue. You're very good. Okay. So those of you, yeah, okay. So you start in what do you? Okay, no, this one is wrong. So what you're supposed to do here is you're done with second derivative already. Okay, it's done with second derivative. How do you use your second derivative? Make sure everybody's done until here first. You okay with this? Okay with this? This is second derivative already, understand, right? Okay, you're done until here, right? How do we reach to go until here already? Hey guys, what I want you all to do for second derivative is, do you remember what's your x coordinate or not? There's no equals to 0, okay? What's the x coordinate in here? X coordinate is x equals to on top. X equals to -1/5. So you all sub inside here. Okay, sub inside. Give me 3SF. See whether it is less than or more than 0. Then you can determine your nature already. Okay? So opposite, less than 0 means maximum, okay? More than 0 means minimum. You took out 15 bits. So you took out 15, can see? Okay, and you continue from here. So now you're going to let x equals. Okay, I don't need to worry about it being in simplest form. It doesn't matter, okay? Can start in here already. What's the x value? Okay, so when x equals, what was the x value just now? What's that? X value. X value is which one? Which one is x? Yes, okay, sub inside. Sub into your here, okay? So sub into your second. Got it already, Got it already, Can I mark for you? Okay, let's see. I roughly remember. Yes, correct. Okay, see you next page. Thank you. Okay, how do you differentiate your ln? Bring down the 3 first, ah. Okay, so sub in, okay? So from here, I'm going to let x equals to -1/5. Okay, I'm too lazy, so I'm going to put here. Then you all will get your value. This value, right, 3SF will do. Determine whether it's more than or less than 0. If I'm not wrong, it's more than 0. So that you can determine that it's your minimum point. Alright, remember, think opposite, okay? So I go around and mark for you all instead. Yes, good job. Okay, I said. Okay, next page. That's yours. Yeah, this just press calculator carry. Yeah, this one just press exactly as it. Don't need exact. So just press. Because you want to see whether it's a positive or negative one. 明白吗？我们没有 second derivative equals 0的，只有 first derivative equals 0。那可以，你don't need to do until so simple. Construct greater than. I'll put more than. I said I'm not asking you. I said you cannot just put it. Should be okay. Oh, okay, okay.
So we stop at the left.
Okay, this one wrong decision. You know, no calculator, are you?
Should we try to go?
Yeah. I don't have to spell calculator. You can press exponential. Can. Yeah. This one, right? Just give me I guess. You the sound and not silent. Okay, I help you with the next page, huh? Okay, guys, the next page, right, must be very, very careful. Can I mark for you? Okay, so your next page here, right? Yeah, correct. Understand or not? Okay, so only coordinates and radian must give exact. Okay, guys, this one here, right? Reese, you join me first, Reese. You join me first. Later, I'll go and find a calculator for you. Guys, this one, I want you all to check presentation 10. Okay, meaning, right? I don't want you to write dy dx now. Okay, cannot write dy dx now. So you must help me to write down. Wait. Yeah. Okay, so this one here, right? Can you help me to write down, okay? Let y equals. Okay, so we have let y equals to this. So what I want you all to see here is, right, guys, don't torture yourself. Please show me first, please. This is important. Okay, bring this away, guys. Okay, bring this away. So bring him down because your lawn rules, correct or not? So when you bring him down, it becomes like that, leh. So becomes like that. Can see or not? Jala can see, right? Yeah, so no need to do what? Chain lah. Don't mix up with this one. So bring him down first. Okay? So now when I want to do my dy dx, the 3 is just for show one. So your 3, right, you can just copy. Can we understand that? So Jiala, can we think of an example? How do we differentiate, right? Ln 4x plus 2. 1 over. Very good. Then after that, times. Yes, correct. So everybody, can you go and differentiate this properly? Very easy one. Just copy the 3 first. Copy the 3 on its own, differentiate these guys separately. Can we understand that? Okay, please go and do that. You have 1 minute. I'm going to grab you a calculator, see. No spare calculator.
This is this.
Yeah, but later I need to calculate. Later during the break time, I help you. You move on first, yeah? You move on to question 2 first. Okay, go and differentiate. Oh, we found. Oh my gosh. Please return to me later.
Okay.
But do question 1 later, okay? Do question 2 first. Okay, please simplify this. Okay, just simplify nicely. This is a very easy question. So you just get an answer. Yes, well done. Okay, the number disappeared, is it? Or here, You forgot to times what? You forgot to times something, right? I didn't forget times. Okay, good job. Here are the next one. Oh, this so fast. Okay, good job. Oh, so you don't need to do all this. Don't need. It's just is just copy the 3 and then differentiate this only, right? Because this is 3, not 3x. So there's no product rule here. Oh, yeah. So it's just differentiate this thing. And it's very true. Correct. So you copy. So it's just like that. So it's just fine. Oh, you count wrong lah. Yeah, but don't miss product rule, okay? No problem. Okay, next page. Oh, you done already? Times what? Too much times what? No. Differentiate this is 1 over this times 1. You see now? Always not. Done already? Yes, good job. Okay. Now this one over here, right? This, yes, good job. Write it in the way. The next one shouldn't be a problem. We practice a lot for the next kind, okay? Yes. Okay. Yeah, you must put on top this. Okay, do the factorizing way if you remember, yeah? Good job. Do the factorizing way, okay? I will help you all with part B, so you all no need to rush, okay? Okay, please differentiate this properly. Done, Rian? Come. Remember, okay? Okay, so from here, right? Please rewrite this one first. So this is Rian power what? The whole thing. Alright, what rule will you be using? Please do that. Okay, copy, differentiate, See whether you can show. Cannot. So this one is not correct. You know why? Because you must use. You got highlighter for me? Sorry. This one is 1 set. This one is 1 more size. So you must use your product rule. So how do you do product rule? Copy. You know how to do product rule, right? Do it inside. Do whatever was. Yeah. Go and set factorize properly. Factorize ready? Are you going to take up? Don't need factorize first. Don't combine it. Just factorize first. That's what I thought, y'all. Okay, very nice. Okay, we do the next one while waiting for us to come back to this one later, okay? Where are you now? Okay? Okay, we do the next one first. We come back to you later. Yeah, oh, you can skip first, no worries. Cannot do. We continue first. Those of you who manage to show next page, I'll let the ones who. So, okay, yes. Do your product rule, please. Outside, inside, yeah. This one you must change it, right? Change to something else. How do you change? How do you do that? How? Very good. 你再加油，我在尽快去转给。结果他yeah, right. You know what? Because I'm dividing by, not like this before. Dividing by power. So when you divide half minus negative half, so it's power. Alright. So obviously I want to do divide all back. So this becomes half. Oops, sorry, we should do it. Forget it. And now you just find the big one again. Become on top with such a bring down becomes power. Oh, alright, so I have to do it. Sorry. Okay, okay, you do that screen. Do that screen, please. Please. Are you ready? Can you look up? Okay, so from here, Reese, what you copy first? You copy 2x, correct? Then after that, this one here is half. And then we have 3x plus 1, whole thing power negative half. Then after that, what must you multiply by? You forgot to multiply this. What should you multiply by? Multiply by? Yes, you forgot that. But wait first, listen first. Then after that, close it up. Correct or not? Then product rule is a plus. So now you copy this one, right? What do you multiply by? Correct. So then from here, I always teach my kids to do it this way because this will work for every single question. I want you to factorize this up. Who is smaller? This one, right? So I'm going to take this out first. So you see how I do that. When I take it out, right? Take it out means it's factorized. Okay? Take it out means it's factorized. Rian, you got it already, huh? Okay? So risk we take out first. When I take out means I divide. Correct or not? What is this divide by something power negative half based on indices? You take this minus negative half, which becomes power. Sorry? Correct. Make sense not? Then after that, now you can slowly open up. What's half times 2x times 3?
Yes.
3x. Then after that, you can simplify the other thing. So you have 3x here. Then this one will be what and what? Make sense not? Then you continue from here yourself. You try? You do it at the side. I come and check for you. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So what are your mistakes here? You forward the 3. Second thing is, right, I'm not saying that you're wrong, but this is what I recommend all the students do. Make sense? You try? You didn't know? Okay, those who are done managed to show, right? I see you at the next part. I'll take one for our friends. Then after that, I help you all with the next part, okay? Yeah, good job. Then this one bring down. Don't look like this, video. Very not. Okay, meet you all at the next page, please. Once you are done, meet you all at question 4. So question 4, please remember, you can only differentiate sine, cosine, tangent, that's all. So you have to rewrite it a little bit. This one is, you cannot differentiate secant square. You can only differentiate sine, cosine, tangent. Please try again. See, I told you when you learn integration, you get confused one. Yeah, okay, please go ahead this one. So yours is just technique, okay? And we will change, we'll just do it together. Okay, rewrite the secant square. Guys, secant is what though? Jia, secant is 1 over. Yeah, so secant square means what? Yeah, correct. So you need to rewrite lah. Okay, so you have to write it out as y equals to 2x squared. This is 3 over. Then we have change, bring down already, right? So it will become cosine 2x squared like that. See how I write or not? Then Jia, how do I bring it up though? 2x squared plus 3. This whole thing power. Yes, then you go and differentiate like that. Differentiate your power, trigo, angle. Okay? Differentiate your power, trigo, angle. Make sense or not? Okay, then put shown here. Good job. Okay, put shown here. Okay, so how can you differentiate? You can differentiate sine, cosine, and tangent. Only these three, so cannot differentiate your cosine square. So remember your power, trigo, angle, guys. Okay, so you end up with something very long. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, so now we're going to do that. So you can only differentiate sine, cosine, tangent. We need our calculator, okay? So make sure you differentiate this properly, All right. Oh, raining, Wow, so heavy rain. Okay, so from here, right, let's differentiate together, okay? No worries, come, we do together, then you'll spot your errors, huh? Okay, let's see, are we ready? So always power first, then trigo, then angle. Can you all see this or not? Power, trigo, angle. So let's differentiate, okay? What do they want us to do? They want us to find the gradient of the tangent in this particular form. So must be exact, okay? So guys, when they give you this, right, please tell you, then you must make sure, right, that we have gradient of the tangent. So gradient of the tangent is always your dy dx, correct or not? Okay, make sure you have your brackets, your angles don't change, sine 2x, is it? Now where's the angle? You must sine something, so sine what? This is negative sine, put 2x first, then times angle. Yeah. Yeah, understand or not? You cannot change the sign to nothing. No sign 2, okay? So let's see from here. Okay, everybody, can you all please look up? Okay, Faith, what do you get? Please join us. Okay, what do you have from here? Wait, not so fast. Differentiate one by one first. Hello, you haven't differentiate this one. 4x. Okay, what do you copy first? Copy the number? Copy 3 first. Because got the 3 there. What do you bring down? -2. Then now your whole thing, power, minus. Correct. So this is, what is this? This one is doing my power. Okay, so let me highlight yellow. So this part is power. Not yellow. Okay, this part here is power. Can you understand this? Power, right? Okay, next one, trigo. So what do you get when you differentiate the trigo, Faith? Minus sign. Okay, last one, angle. Correct. So this is trigo, and then this one, last one is angle. Can you all see that my angle is always 2x, cannot go away one, yes. -2, yes, correct. This one's supposed to be -2. Good job, Rian. Okay, so this one should be -2. Okay, so everybody can see your power, trigo, angle. Now, Miss can see or not? Okay, power first. So power, the 3 no change. Bring down the -2. The power become 8 when my negative fly away. Okay, so this one here is your minus, like that. Then power done ready. Trigo. Angle no change. Then angle. Power, trigo, angle. Got it correct? Okay, so now understand? You got it correct? Second attempt correct already now. Okay, then we now see whether we correct or not, huh? Okay, so what we have here is we're going to keep the 4x. Okay, let's see, Isabel. 3 times -2 times 2. What do you get? -12. Good job. Okay, so we have, or just 12, +12. Yes, there's a negative sign, right? Clever. Thank you. Okay, so we got 12. Then after that, the sine 2x put upstairs, right? Jia, the cosine x can bring? Correct. But the cosine x, we put like that, can or not? Cosine cube. Can you understand this? Okay. Is this a showing question or what? Is it showing? Oh, okay, not yet lah. So now you're done like that already, right? Okay. So now what are we going to do from here? Okay, can we continue or not? Can, right? So this is all that we have already. Yay! Okay, so get used to this one here. Happy with this? Where do you go wrong? Okay. So it's something like this. You got it ready? Okay, good job. You got it already? Okay. Yeah, last. Yeah, okay. So now we continue, because we haven't finished. So Jia, you are tested on this, right? So always remember, you see the word gradient of the tangent. What are you finding? Dy dx, correct. That one not gradient or normal, different, Okay, very nice. So Jia, what do we have to sub in? X equals to? Correct. Okay, I got a small problem, okay? So everybody, can you all take your calculators together? Okay, you all use your calculators. Let me just flash mine. But I cannot show you all because I show you all, right? My calculator very clever. Always give me exact one, okay? So you all help me with it, all right? Okay, so now, right, we got 4x. So everybody, can you all put in your pi over 6? But you want your exact in terms of pi. So you don't press pi over 6, correct or not? So instead, what will you all press? Okay, let's say if I put it downstairs here, okay? So if I put it here, right? If I put this one here, this is 4 bracket pi over 6. So Rian, what will you press to give me this part here though? Don't press the pi, so you'll press S. Okay, you press calculator. Very nice. You heard her? 4 times 1 over 6. So what will you get? So you write as 2 pi over 3. Or you write as 2 over 3 pi better actually. So 2 over 3 pi. Can you all see this or not? Okay. Then now, right, I'm going to plug in this one. This one here is your 12 sine. Guys, what is 2 times pi over 6? Can understand it's pi over 3 or not, huh? Can, right? Cannot, then you'll just press as 2 times pi over 6. Then the other one, right? How to press calculator for this one? Okay, cannot press the cube like that, right? So I put the cube outside. Good job. Okay, so this one here will be cosine. Instead of pi over 6, I write pi over 3 because I times 2. So then I do a cube like that. Okay? Okay, so let's press calculator together. Are you ready or not? Okay, can you all help me? What mode should your calculator be in, Jella? Okay, can you all press calculator together? Maybe show me. Radian mode. Make sure it's in radian mode. Can you all only press sine pi? So press the whole thing, Cannot press the whole thing one, okay? Press sine pi over 3. Okay, everybody press sine pi over 3. Okay, agree or not? Agree or not? Agree, right? Very nice, Jella. Agree, what do you all do? Automatically you square it. Good job. So when you square it, you get 3 over 4. So Jella, what should this one be though? Square root 3 over? Yes, good job. Reese, you know how we do that? It's a magic that we all learn in term 1. So your answer is ugly, correct? Ugly, you square it, right? But this is not your answer. Answer was just now, correct? So, you understand? You understand? Okay, go. So we write that down first, okay? Then after that, over. Okay, what we're going to do is, can we press this entire thing? Okay, Rian turn to press. Rian just press this exact thing with the cube. Everybody also press together. Yes, then what happens? Because that's what they do. But you cannot one shot press everything. Yeah, it is the same. Now I want her to press this. It's the same. Yeah, you got how much? Oh, but how come your answer different? But you never put. You say you put the minus 3 become like that, but then you don't put the minus 3. So you follow, you have to follow and request. So what they are saying is what they already put down stem, correct or not? Yeah, so if you want to leave it upstairs, you must put together. You try? How much is it? Yes, the whole thing. So she got a nice number, right? You got a nice number also? So I got 1 over 8. So yours is what? Okay, so this one is 1 over 8 like that. Okay? Do you get it, Reese? Everybody must try to press, okay? So you press exactly. What's minus 3? Okay, so this is what you have, right? So it's the same, right? Okay, then you continue. No, darling, because mine, right? Mine is hiding down. So that's why I write 1 over 8 downstairs. So you are very confident. You are very good. I'm very confident. Okay, then after that, we simplify. Can we simplify, guys? The 2/3 pi is the same. Yingting, you managed to try, right? Wow, scary, eh? Very long never hear this kind of thunder already. Yingting, what's 12 divided by 2? Okay, so you press your calculator 6 over 1 over 8. Can see now? So we'll simplify to what, guys? We'll simplify to 48 root 3. Is that the same or not? You see whether you see or not? Understand or not? You get it? Okay? You understand? Okay, please do the next part. The next part very easy for you already. 1 minute, let's go. Same or not? Same or not? See, I tell you, good job. Trust yourself. Just press what you see in your calculator. Understand or not? Maybe what you see in your question. You get it, Ali? Okay, but are you supposed to write shown or anything? No need. Okay. Okay, please do the last one. The next one. Rate of change. Write your rate of change equation. Don't waste your energy. 3SF can ready. If they say find A and B, then you write that down. Yeah, but if you have the habit, just write it. But this one not. Because sometimes they say where A and B is to be found, then you must write. Yeah. Okay? Do you understand? Okay, go and write your rate of change equation. Be careful, increasing, decreasing, yes, correct. How do you write a rate of change equation is whatever you differentiate, let me help you what I tell them. Whatever you differentiate goes to the middle. So like that. Okay? Okay? Whatever you differentiate goes to the middle. Then with this 2 is always dt. Okay? Then with these 2 must be the same. This is dx. Then last one is your dy. Oh, so the lightning. Okay, so I go around and mark. 3SF will do, children. Okay, 3SF will do. You are ready for that. Like that. Oh, then you first one. Those will be all the face. I'm crying for some time. I'm scary. Be brave, guys. No need to just press now. You can press the impact hand. Oh, cheers. Oh, yeah, it's so okay, good job. Well done. Okay, next page. Okay, not very good. Next page. See you. Have fun. Quotient rule. Answer. I think. 好像是，sorry. What's the answer again? But you can't share. You know what? This name. You don't use this name. You know, say, this name. What's this one? Oh, yeah. What's your blood? Yeah, this is like this. It's on. Yeah, for like it. Yeah, I'll do it. Yeah, good job. Well done. Clear now. Look how this happened. Why you cry? It's okay. You're not fun. What's for you? Okay, next page. Rian got it ready? Chala got it ready? You also got it ready? Yes. Guys, don't do funny things, okay? I will write down the answer. When Rain watches it, she must know. So when you do your dy dx, right, you must multiply. This whole thing is your dy dx, because your calculator not smart enough. If you never put the bracket, right, he will only take this one. He will only take the 48 something to go and times only lah. Did I say Rain? Rain. Rain only to watch. What's your answer, guys? 34.1, right? Yeah. Units per second, okay? And then bracket 3SF. So your teachers may want you to write your concluding statement. Y is increasing and Okay, do your quotient rule. Come on, guys, you can do it. Quotient rule, what do you copy first, Isabel? Denominator first, right? The quotient rule plus or minus? Minus. Okay, let's go. Be careful, okay? We can do it. Okay, how do we do our quotient rule? Jala, differentiate sine gives me. Differentiate cosine gives me. Yeah, this one easy because don't need to power trigo angle, okay? So see whether y'all can show, okay? So you need to use your identity of, let me flash the identity for y'all so y'all can use. So otherwise shouldn't be any problem. Yesterday the whole class was able to show. Let's see whether y'all can do it as well, okay? 加油. Okay, here you go. This is your identities. I don't need my calculator already. Okay, let me check your first line of differentiation first. Thank you. Don't need to expand the bottom, because your bottom just nice, already like that. Don't need to expand, okay? Yeah, looks good. Yes, looks good. Now you just need to expand everything, okay? That's fine. Yes, looks good. Okay. So expand, expand. Let's see whether you can get rid of it. Yes. Why is this one okay, good? See whether you can. Yes, good job. Okay, okay. Fun, right? Okay, continue. Okay, this one a bit challenging. You'll differentiate for me first. Let's split up first. This one, you know what? Again. But yeah, you see this is a common mistake. But you copy this, you must put a yeah. You know you will not be you will get wrong also. Okay. So you understand? Put this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Yes. Alright. And this one. Okay, you know? Question rule is wrong. How do you do question rule? Yeah, question rule. No, this is not this is. How do you do question rule? No, 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 stop. This one. This is not. Okay, then I just start. No, don't cancel. What you do is wrong. Start. Now right like this now. Don't give me consent. Never mind, we just never mind, just division of everyone else and she goes up. How do you copy that? Why do you copy this? Copy the denominator first. Yeah, done already? Yes. Yeah. This one is simple. Last this one is this one. All right. So what you do? You know it. Who is being used to it? Yeah, very, very. Go ahead, yes. You managed to show? Okay, very good. Well done. You can see? Very sure you not. Understand or not? Very nice. Good job. Let's put a tick so you feel good about yourself. Good job. See, can Okay, very nice. I'm not else ready, Okay, guys, the next one, the next page, you must do what? Please split this up. So, Faith, how do you split this? Don't want the divide lah. So you get ln something, what ln something? Correct. Okay. So please rewrite this one. Okay, so we have this one as ln 2 minus 3x. Then after that, I have minus, then ln 4x plus 5. Okay, like that. Can we understand or not? Then now we can divide dx. We remember how to divide dx, right? Always 1 over, then multiply. Whatever, okay? Okay, try. Then just simplify. I will not go with the next part. But you all try first, okay? Explain. Right, explain. No. Careful, listen. Explain. If you forgot to times that side, again, 1 over this, right? Plus times what? Yes. You got it already, right? Stop here. Now I help you with this one. Okay? You don't have X marks, not so good. But you understand this? Techniques, right? Not the good lessons. It's just think.
That's like,
Okay.
there'll be a lot of like the struggle and
Oh, you better be careful. You are very, very, very not so careful, right? Okay, can you wait for me? Maybe you have this side stationary. So this is maybe. So maybe you do a various spaces. You see that this is minus this one, so this one should be minus okay. So plus this minus this somewhere. We are done with the differentiation, right? Okay, don't worry about everything. Don't need to compare. Sorry. This is good enough. What do you get when you differentiate itself? Should be what? Okay, don't need to worry about the back part. I just want you all to stop here first. Okay, I will help you all with the next part. Once your differentiation, once your differentiation is done, right, then we can see. Okay. Okay, let's differentiate the next part here. So everybody differentiate already, right? So Reese, can you please write this? We are done here already. Can you join us from here? Okay, so everybody, right? I think you all got it. This one is minus 3 over 2 minus 3x minus 4 over 4x plus 5. Okay, 4 over 4x plus 5. Can we understand this? Okay, so now this one is a little bit tricky. So everybody, can you all join me from here? Okay, what do we understand this? Let's start with Isabel. Isabel, what's the meaning of stationary points? That means dy dx is equals to 0, right? So what do they mean by no stationary point? That means my dy dx cannot be correct. So a lot of students, right, what they do is, when they do this, they go and solve this one here. Okay, I show you all something, okay? You all help me to take a red pen, okay? This is something that a lot of students will do, but most teachers don't accept, okay? So what they do is they will do this equals to 0. Can we understand this? Okay? So they will forcefully make it 0. Then when they forcefully make it 0, they will try to solve it lah. Okay, so they will try to solve it and then it becomes like that. So Rian, how do you solve these kind of things? You just need to help me to? Yeah, so when you cross multiply, this is what happens. Minus 12x minus 15. And then this is 8 minus 12x. Okay, what you all do next? So just bring the 12x over, right? What do you realize though? Minus 12x? What happened to x? Gone, right? Then they will say, okay lah, no solution. Then you're here thinking, huh? Well, get like that, how to solve? Cannot solve, correct now. A lot of students will do this, but a lot of teachers don't like this. O level, right? They also don't accept this one here. Are we clear with that? Okay, so how should you actually do it? Just now I taught you all something about ln, right? What do you understand about ln something? So ln something, right? The bracket inside cannot be what number? It cannot be math error. That one is what do we do? Yeah, we don't want it to be 0. Agree with me? So what I want you all to see from here is, can you tell me what's the x value that we are looking at here? Okay, so for this one over here, right? Can you all see x cannot be 3 over 2. You all know how I get that value or not? I forcefully make it equal to 0 and then I solve. Make sense? So tell her this one x cannot be what though? Negative 5 over 4. Yeah. So how do I do this? If I can't see, right, I will do like that. 2 minus 3x equals to 0, then I'll go and find what's the x value. But I do in pencil lah, cannot show people. Make sense or not? Okay? So what we have here is that you all saw this word here? For all real values of x. So you have to, how do you explain this by right? You should explain, okay? For all real, this is the correct one now, okay? For all real values of x, but what are the values we don't want? We don't want this, we don't want this. Okay, when we don't want these two, let's see what we understand from here. Guys, x can be any number except this. Will this fraction ever be 0 or not? No, really, right? X can be any number except this. This fraction will also never be 0. Make sense or not? So the moment you write this down and this, right, you will know that this will never be 0. Can we understand that? Okay, so then all you need to do now is you just need to write down, see how kiasu your teachers are lah. Okay, so you will say that this is not equals to 0. This is also not equals to 0. So what we have here is my dy dx, right, can never be equals to 0. So some teachers, right, they say that this is a way of doing because they will say that, oh, I cannot solve. So it will never be equals to 0. So you may be given a mark, but very low chance. Most probably it is 3 marks, and you do like this, right, you get 2. Because logically, it's not mathematically correct. Because eventually you solve, right, you'll get like, oh, minus 15 equal 8. Huh? Which is not correct, right? Yeah. But I know some teachers know that you all cannot understand this. They rather you all get 2 marks than 0 marks. You know what I mean? Yeah, so if you really, really cannot remember this in the exam, no choice You just do this, you probably lose 1 mark. But you understand logic, right? Because they say no stationary point, so I try to show that it cannot be an x value. Because by right mathematics, right, what's the meaning of no solution? No solution means like that. X squared equals to -4. Can you square root -4 or not? That means this is no solution. Not like this. Not 没有 x. You know what I'm trying to say? Okay? Okay. So this is the only scary question here. Alright, you're done writing down, yeah, so fast. Okay, last one. Guys, this one we never really do trigo, right? With maxima, minima there. So what I want to do is, right, what did I teach you? With this one you thinking. I got so boring, man. This one here, okay, showing scary or not? Scary lah, little bit scary, right? Who are you? Oh, never tell me. I'm sweating because I thought. Wait, I know why. Just let it blow me. Yeah. Okay, don't tell me, but I did that. Okay, guys, show scary, right? We don't show first, we solve first, Can or not? Okay, we solve first, So this one, find the value of x where a has a stationary point. How come can solve? Because they already say this is a. Oh, you know me, I think, sorry. Oh, this one don't need. You can stop here. This is a. A for expert problem. You want to cancel away so that we know that we don't need to do that. Okay. Okay, so guys, you see what is A? Can see this one is A or not? Can see, right? So really, what do you understand about stationary? You must be A, be what? Correct. And it's equals to, okay, trigo solving is back to one, you guys. Okay? So what I want you to do is, can see this is one term and one term or not? So what rule should I be using, please? Product. Let's do our product rule, everybody. Okay, so go and do your DA. Go and do properly, differentiate cosine, differentiate sine. Guys, don't worry about the 144. You just copy the 144. Understand, right? We do this first, okay? I will help you with the proving later. Don't worry. Nice, good job. Well done. Very good, Jala. Jala, let's try to perfect this. I come to you when I think you're ready, okay? No $1 3 try, Can you differentiate the risk? Okay, so we're going to put down dA dx. Okay, because that's your differentiation, right? So do your product rule. Okay, Reese, what do you copy first? Okay, love that. Okay, and then what do you get when you differentiate the other guy? Okay, and then it's a plus, right? Jala, do you remember to put your bracket when you copy that long thing? Yes, thank you. Okay, then what do you get when you differentiate 144 cosine x, Aris? Oh, love that. Thank you. Okay. Okay, very nice. Okay, so from here, we are just going to expand, okay? So we all just expand. So we get 144 cosine square x. I wanted to check what I go and do. Oh, yeah, okay, very good, Rian. Well done. So happy for you, Rian. This one don't have power trigo angle, so you can do. Be careful, because you always forget the last part, okay? This one will be minus 144 sine square x minus 144 sine x. So many minus. Okay, am I correct? Same? Y'all don't give me reassurance one. Same hall faith. Are you being suspicious? Okay, nice. Okay, then now we do this, right? Okay, guys, I ask you a question, okay? So now from here, right, you just need to find the value of x. Did they state anything about maximum, minimum or not? Never, right? So thank God, I don't need to do the invisible one mark showing thing. But if tomorrow your exam got maximum, minimum, you must show the last part, remember the one mark thing. Like for example, they say find value of x where a is the maximum, then you must do your first derivative, just draw. But this one no need, right? That's why that one 4 marks, this one 3 marks, so that's the invisible mark. Can see, right? Okay, so just now Rian already told us what? dA dx equals to 0. Okay, now this part here, I know I'm going to cry, so I'm going to do first, okay? Okay, we use identity. Guys, do you all remember my favorite identity in the whole wide world or not? Sine square x plus cosine square x equals to how much? 1. Okay, thank you. You get to go home first. Okay, so from here, right, this is the identity I'm going to use. Because I cannot solve when your sine and cosine, right? So I want to change this. So that the whole thing looks like a sine equation. Okay, can we do that? So what is cosine square? Rian, you can help me? 144 times? How do I make cosine square the subject? 1 minus 1 minus sine square, Okay, so it's like that, Then after that, you go and simplify for me. Can you simplify to make it look like a nice quadratic equation? You're having a feast, Reese. You're doing your work, right? Okay, okay, come. Go and solve it. Why are you eating so yummy? Oh, no. Are you at the beach, Summer. Okay, come, solve it. Okay. Okay, thanks for explaining. Okay, okay, solve it. Make it a nice quadratic, okay? Rearrange nicely. So what will you get though? Okay, Reese, what do you get when you expand everything? How many sine square? Okay. Okay, Rian, how many? Minus? Oh, nice job. Minus 288 sine square x. After that? Minus 144 sine x, Then last one? Okay. We should, right? Because the number is so ugly, right? So you want to divide by how much throughout the whole equation? Divide by? How about we divide minus 144 instead? Yeah, okay. So we're going to divide by minus 1 4. I like that. Good job. Okay, so you're going to divide by minus 144. Very nice. So everybody, please, let's try to do that also. Okay, minus 144. Remind me? Okay. Then use your calculator to cheat can already, okay? Let's go and divide. Right, backtrack. Very good. Okay, Jana, you divide, then you tell us what you get when you divide. I think you'll get like 2 sine square x something one. Okay, okay, Jala, what do you get? 2 sine square x after that? Oh, plus sine x minus? Okay, you use your calculator to cheat, right? So everybody, I'm going to fast forward, okay? So by right, you should put like brackets lah. Okay, you should put bracket equals to 0. But I'm going to fast forward. So darling, what do you get when you use your calculator to cheat? I saw Ying Ting cheat already. Ying Ting sine x equals? You know how to use? Wait ah. Yeah, it's the same. You press you. Just that mine got more. So you got to go down. Yeah, down. Ah, this. Then same already. Sorry, what you say? 1 over 2 ah? Positive? Okay, 1 over 2. The other one? Or sine x equals to minus 1. Okay, so now, right, what we're going to do is, do we need exact for this question? No need, but we can try to do this in exact. Because, you know half, right? Half lah, 1/4 lah, 1/6 lah, they will all give me exact answers one. So how do I do that? Let's see first, okay? Okay, everybody, let's find alpha together. We are in our, sorry. We're in our radian mode, correct or not? So we are in our radian mode over here. Can you all see this? Okay, everybody, can you take your calculator? Help me to press sine inverse half. Okay, help me to press sine inverse half. Press ready? You get non, okay, in radian mode, okay? Sine, oh, you don't need to pi over something else. Okay, so now, right, you get nonsense, right? Then you help me to divide by pi. Then you get what? Pi over 6, huh? Yeah, so we have this one is pi over 6. Everybody understand or not? So that's how I will press it, lor. So this one here will be pi over 6. Can we see this or not? Pi over 6, pi over 6, pi over 6. Can see? Okay? Don't press, so press minus 2. Oh, fun, huh? Minus 2 equal, then minus 1. And then, yeah, like normal conjugate and 2. Inside this minus. So because actually by what we can divide by negative, so the negative will all go away. 6 equals 0. Only equation that can do that. If it's expression. So what's the another? Then what's the sign? Just like always. It looks like a quadratic equation to you, man. Okay. But I see that, right? So by right here, must be like 2 sine x minus 1 sine x plus 1. Like your algebra, like cheating, like what's that? You saw the cheating way, right? Yeah. Okay. So guys, ask you a question. Look at where is x supposed to be? They got say x is here. Can you all see from the diagram that x is acute or not? So I don't need to worry about other quadrants. Do you agree with me? Correct, right? Okay, so this one done. So this is one of my answer. Then what did I teach you all? Guys, what did I teach you all when it's equal to 0, 1, and negative 1? You cannot just calculator. You must help me to draw the graph. So let's draw a sine graph at the side. Okay, so I'm going to draw a sine graph. Okay, so I draw like that and then like that. So where is this is 2 pi, correct or not? This is 2 pi, this is pi. So now where is negative 1? Negative 1 is here, ma. So this one is what though? Between pi and 2 pi. So this pi is what? Very nice. Good job. Okay. So this one x is 3 pi over 2. But you all want 3 pi over 2 or not? How to check? Pi always represents how many degrees? Okay, your press your calculator. 3 times 180 divided by 2. See whether it's a cube or not. Then you all see whether you all want or not. 3 times 180 divided. It's okay. 3. She's stressed. It's 270 lah. So I don't want because it's not a cube. So I reject. You all can see or not? So I only got one answer only. Can you all see that? So usually this kind of question, right? You go and check your diagram. If it's a cube, then it's very nice one. Oh. Yeah. If it's what is it? If it's in the diagram, then it's a cube, then you don't need to worry about splitting quadrants really. Okay, but solving trigo, you must always check the quadrant. Okay, let's see how we prove this part here. Guys, what did I teach you about proving though? If I see a cone, right, and I see a lot of values, what kind of triangle do I think of? The small triangle, big triangle. So the two triangles are similar, correct? Then we use similar, right? If you see right angle triangle, then you'll do what theorem? Pythagoras theorem. If you see, you need to prove Picasso. Same as your R formula. You also find a right angle triangle. But how do you invite the trigo to come in? You must use what? Sec 2 right angle triangle. What do you think of? Picasso, good job. Understand or not? So this one I'll do my Picasso lah. Because I see trigo ma. Correct lah. Okay? There's one more that I haven't shown you all, but I don't want to introduce to scare you all first. You know in E-math when you all learn trigonometry, you all find area of triangle can be half times base times height, right? But you can also have half what? Half AB sine C. You also can introduce the sign, which also is possible in this question, but I don't need to do it. Okay? So let's see what we have here. So everybody, you all label your x's first. Okay, so let's read this question. Then we see what they want us to show later. Okay, so what I have from here is there's an isosceles triangle. So can we label? This is also 12. Okay, settled my isosceles triangle. Then after that from here, okay, this is x and this is x here. What triangle am I looking for trigonometry? Right angle, only one person in my class. So can you cut a right angle? Show me or not? Remember, your 12 is always your hypotenuse, right? Okay, go and cut your right angle triangle. You don't use pen and pen. Okay, so that's what we have here. Okay, so then after that, make sure you draw your right angle, okay? So you cut down already, draw a right angle. What did I teach you all? Most of the time, right, the length given to you is a hypotenuse, so don't go and cut it already, okay? Okay, so let's see what they want us to find. Are you all ready? They want us to find the area of the meter plate. metal. Okay, area of the metal plate. So what's the metal plate? A triangle and a rectangle lah. Easy, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do here is, okay, I need to find a few things. If I want to find the triangle area, half times base times height. Correct or not, huh? Correct, right? Guys, what's the purpose of telling me this isosceles triangle? When I draw the line down, these two are correct. They are the same. So what I have from here, these two are the same like that. So what I want you all to do is, can we find this one first or not? Okay, you can let it be anything. Let it be R. Okay, so we let it be R. So let's do our Picasso. Can Reese help me? Which Picasso are you using? What X? So you must choose something. I want you to use the hypotenuse. So according to X, this is your adjacent or opposite. So which trigo you want to use? Sine. Cosine. So cosine x, everybody. Cosine x equals to r over 12. Can you all find r or not? Okay, Rian, what is r equals to? Cos 12 cosine x. Good job. So if this is 12 cosine x, right? Wait, I shouldn't remove. If this is 12 cosine x, right? Then what is qs though, Jia? Nice. Okay. So do you all agree this thing is also 24 cosine x? Can find the area of the rectangle already or not? Can, right? Okay, go and find area of rectangle first. So you all can just put it like that. Rectangle equal. Okay, go and simplify for me. So easy, right? Okay, so from here, right, what do I have from here? Okay, so now, Reese, what do you get for the area of the rectangle? Woohoo, good job. Thank you. Okay, so now, Ying Ting, you help me. Ying Ting, I need to find this one. I call this Y lah, since you're helping me, right? Okay, Ying Ting, help me find Y. What trigo will you be using? Based on your hypotenuse, don't use any other things, okay? So based on your hypotenuse, you'll be using? So sine x equals to y over? Okay, so what is y equals to? Good job. So everybody, since I know that is 12 sine x, right? I'm sure you all can find the triangle already, what? Because it's just half times base times height. So what's the base, Isabel? What's the base? uh, 24 cosine x. And then height is? Okay. Okay, so now from here, right? What I have is I'm going to do lah. Guys, what's half times 24 times? So 144 again. So 144 cosine x sine x. So now what you're supposed to do is these two together to give me the total area and make it look like this. Remember how can look like this? So what did they do today? These two add together, suddenly become like that, right? Why got this one outside like that? Means they do what? They factorize. Good job. Okay, go and try. Then can show already. I go around and mark, okay? Yay! Well done, everybody. Finish one paper. Guys, for last week's homework, right, I'm going to get you all to reach out to me one by one, and then I'll go through with you all. Okay, you saw the chat, I sent the guides. Yeah, but I think you no time to do, don't do tonight. Both chat also have. I don't know which chat. Are you in the Monday's chat already? Not yet, right? You're in the Sunday. Okay, later before you go, you join the Monday one. I kick you out of the Monday one. Last week's homework. You're done already? Finish already? Proof it already? Where's the last part? A equals, must write A equals, correct? A equal or not? Where's your A? Oh, they write the final line later, huh? I see your one? Okay, good job, well done. Okay? Where you put attention minutes? Further than minutes. Hello. You finish already the homework? You can, just let me cancel out. Do you need any help with the homework? I think I know which one. Number 2 is it? The showing one. Like, what will you think? Yeah, don't think close. Yeah. I trust you. You text me, okay? I trust you. Okay. Okay, got it already? How does this homework? Okay. I know it was a bit tougher, that's why. But only one question was tough, I thought. Oh, question 4, what's question 4? Okay, no worries. You do a Zoom with me? When are you free? Later before you, later you text me? Yeah, so last week, let me say in the chat, okay? For last week's homework, right? Please reach out to me. Cam scan to me, then after that you all reach out to me. I'll go through with you. I think I don't need more than 30 minutes for each of y'all lah. Just want to check in on everybody. This is what class ah? What's today's date again? 20 April. Can I check whose school is doing? Okay, I know she's doing. Who else is doing integration? You also, right? Yeah, I also think so. Ying Ting leh? Ying Ting confirm haven't one. When's your WA? May, right? Okay, I tell you, when yours also in May, right? Okay, I tell you what, next week we still continue with WA2 practices. Yeah, then don't worry, I'm seeing you all on your HBL day. So I'll prepare for your integration there because I don't want to rush. Yeah, I think your differentiation also can be better still. Yeah, but the integration I did a bit with you all on the Zoom already, right? Because I have the luxury of the June holidays. If I rush now, later your differentiation like lousy, then also not so good. Okay? Can Yeah. Okay, what I want to say, I forget already. So today, right, please arrange 1-to-1 to go to last week's homework. Everybody manage to do already? All done already? Okay. Okay. Okay, let's move on to our next set. I think it's the Min An set. Can can you all go to page 20? Okay, page 20. We got last half an hour. Let's practice as much as we can. The next set is easier if I never remember wrongly, okay? Okay, let's see what we have. Page 20. Jiala's one is only until all the techniques, right? So you can because WA1 package also don't have the techniques only. So you select questions from there to practice. Can ah? If you need a specific one, then I'll go and scan for you. Equations of tangent and normal should be one question. Okay, can. I got that. 7 May, right? You just now sent me. Okay, guys, page 20. Let's look at page 20. Backwards. Okay, I'm going to choose question. We got half an hour. Let's see what we have. So just nice, Isabel can practice as much. Isabel, what's the least confident concept?